Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I would like to welcome all of you from all around the country, our great country, Saudi Arabia. Welcome everyone. Also, I would like to welcome Mr. Fawaz Al-Aqil for our sign language interpreter, for being our sign language interpreter. Let's get started. As usual, it's grade first, intermediate grade. It's first semester. Our subject is English. Our lesson today is about you and conversation. This is my name, Ms. Khulud Saoud. As usual, it's my pleasure to have you in my class. Before we get started, remember we have an online classroom rules or agreement we need to follow, okay? Number one, find a quiet study area and be ready. Make sure you have everything around you, maybe a pen, pencil, or maybe a cup of water, okay? Number two, avoid any distractions like TV, food, or any online resources. Number three, keep strong and positive, okay? Previous lesson review. In the previous lesson, we talked about pronunciation and listening, right? It's part of learning English. What is intonation? The rise and fall of the voice in speaking. And we said the function of intonation is, number one, it shows the attitudes and emotions of the speaker. What does that mean? We can tell if a person is asking a question or maybe wondering or want to tell us something just by the tone of voice, okay? Number two, the difference between statements and questions. It's really important in a language to differentiate between the sentences and questions. Okay. Let's start Unit 1, Good Morning, page 5 and 6, About You plus Conversation. Lesson objectives. Learners will be able to take turns asking questions, asking and answering questions. Okay, this is a very important part of any conversation. Number two, make up a conversation with a partner. That's going to be fun, like a role-playing thing. Okay, let's get started. About You, page 5. Unit 1, Good Morning. Here are some questions that will help you to know more about your friends and maybe your classmates or any member of the family, okay? Here are some questions. Each time I'll pause the video. I'll wait for you to find the correct answer, okay? I'll explain the question and you will try to figure out which is the suitable answer. It's really fun to go around the house and maybe find a partner to do this exercise with you. Question number 1, how do you spell your first name? I'll go first. This is my name, Khulud, Khulod, okay? And I wrote my name. So you could do this or ask a partner and write their name. Question number 2, how do you spell your last name? That means your family name. Al-Katani, this is my family name, the last name. And this is the way how I write my last name. Now it's your turn. Okay, I'll pause the video for you. Try to write your answers. Righty, so let's go to the next slide. What do your friends call you? Do you have a nickname? Ask someone around and then write down the answer. The next question, what is your best friend's name? Okay, pause the video for you. Alrighty. So, did you finish writing the answers? Let's go to the next question. What is your dad's name? What is your brother's name? Okay, I'll give you time to write your answers. Okay. Next question, what is your teacher's name? How are you today? Okay. I'll give you a couple seconds to answer the question. Okay, so good job. You're doing good job, guys. Conversation. It's an important part of any conversation to know information about others, right? Ask a question, know about other people around you. It will also help you to be a good communicator, okay? Here is the conversation, page number 6. Go open your book. It's a good idea to have your book next to you. Carlos, are you Rick Morgan? Yes. Hi, I'm Carlos Rodriguez. I'm from your company. Nice to meet you, Carlos. Did you notice that? They're meeting for the first time. They are introducing themselves to each other, like the first lesson we took. Are you? They are introducing, are you Rick Morgan? He's asking, want to make sure. And he replied with, hi, I'm Carlos Rodriguez. I'm from your company. He replied, nice to meet you, Carlos. Okay, so this is how we can tell they are meeting for the first time. Nice to meet you too. Welcome to Spain. Spain is the name of country. Thank you. So, this is your first time here? He's asking, he's looking for information. Yes, I'm very excited. All our colleagues are at the restaurant. And a big meal is ready for you. Great, I'm starving. The food on planes is terrible. Can you tell what does starving mean? Look around the context, try to figure out. They're talking about the food on planes is terrible. Starving means very hungry, okay? So let's go over the conversation one more time. Are you Rick Morgan? Yes. Now guys, if I point, that means it's your turn. Okay, you can read. Good job. Hi, I'm Carlos Rodriguez. I'm from your company. Good job. Nice to meet you, Carlos. Perfect. Nice to meet you too. Welcome to Spain. Thank you. So, is this your first time here? Yes, I'm very excited. All our colleagues are at the restaurant and the big meal is ready for you. Great, I'm starving. The food on planes is terrible, okay? So this kind of conversation, you could have it as a role-playing game. You could play it with your siblings, friends, or maybe classmates. Now it's your turn, guys. You are meeting a stranger at the airport. Make up a conversation with a classmate, okay? Here is the scenario. Try to imagine that you are meeting someone, stranger probably, at the airport, and you need to make up a conversation with that person, okay? Of course, you are going to use English as an international communication language, right? So, letter A, are you Mr., Mrs., Dr. Space? You could write any name here. So my answer was George. Are you Mr. George? And remember the titles that we mentioned at the first lesson. Mr. for a man, Mrs. for a lady, Doctor for maybe both. It could be a man or a woman. Yes, okay. I am. What's your answer? Mine was Sarah, okay. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Welcome to Saudi Arabia. Thank you. And then there is a question mark. What do you think the correct answer? Space, your first time here. Is it your first time here? The answer could be yes or no based on your situation. Okay, I'm gonna pause the video. You can make up a conversation very quick, okay? And we will go back. Alrighty, so in today's lesson, we learned asking and answering the questions. This is an important part of speaking and talking to people. Having a conversation with a partner. Isn't it fun? Okay, so thank you so much for your time and watching. I hope you learned something today. Thank you so much and see you next time.